Oh, first attempt did not work. I'm assuming that is right side up. Handle, lid, ow. As you can tell, the first attempt didn't work out so well. That is an Electric Green Kitchen Works 2.5 quart tea kettle. Whistling tea kettle. The Select Home line. High quality stainless steel body. Stay cool to the touch handle with knob. Easy pour design. Dishwasher safe. Red, gold, teal, gray, gold, green, blue, purple. And if I've got those colors wrong, I'm sorry. Because I know there's 3 colors there that look almost the same. Like that one and that one look almost the same. That one's red. And okay. Where I get this from, I got this one from the downtown department store. That's where I got this from. Now, why would I actually want to do this? My apartment flooded, and I saw what they could pull out of my sink pipes. Never knew you could pull what I saw out of those sink pipes. So I am upgrading my apartment a little bit at a time. And especially on day 16 of vaccination number 2, we tried to actually give ourselves tea, and we have done that. Today, I filled the tea kettle with 2 quarts of water and failed at the first video. Now, yeah, I can pick that up. Do I feel comfortable with it? Yeah, I do. Doesn't feel hot. That doesn't want to move. When it's cold, when that is cold, it'll shrink a little bit and you can actually move it whichever which way you want. But when it actually starts boiling like it is now, if you can hear that, it'll expand a little bit and it'll seal. It's completely sealed even when it's cold to the touch. It's not cold to the touch now. This trigger button stays locked. So watch this. Up, open, and it stays open. Push down, shut, and it'll stay shut. Only con that I don't like about it, not much space if you wanted to do something like this, okay? But you usually want to hold it like that. And depending on where this goes, kids should not be playing with items on the stove. Get your parents to do the boiling items. That water in there right now is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. I can almost guarantee scalding hot water. But since it's the whistling tea kettle, and I screwed up the first product video, let's see what it'll do. Now here's what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to place this in my refrigerator. Let it cool all the way down, but at least I will have boiled water, and the water in that kettle should be good enough to drink. That's all I want. Somehow I feel like I got sick 3 days ago. Day 16 of vaccination 2, and he gets taken out by the common cold, not the COVID-19. Who knew? Here we go. Steam out the front. Like Willy Wonka. The anticipation. The excitement. 2.5 quarts is good for me because the boiled water might end up being 2 quarts when all is said and done. Because that steam out the front and back is water I can't get back. So everything will be alright. Is that what they consider whistling? Hmm. Alright. Would I recommend this product? Yes. Because no matter what, when that lid is pushed onto the tea kettle, it'll stay shut. It'll protect somebody's hand from the boiling water if you pour it out. Especially now that it's expanded, it is definitely in there now. What I also like about this, the trigger switch. Stays open, will stay shut. .5 whistling tea kettle. Select home brand made by Kitchenworks. I would recommend it. For anybody who's made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I'll see everybody in the next video.